Hi everyone, thanks for coming to this sharing session. I'm Professor Hu Jiangyong, the Director of Environmental and Sustainability Engineering Program at NUS. So I'm very happy to share with you about saving the planet with environmental and sustainability engineering. So first of all, what is environmental and sustainability engineering? Environmental and sustainability engineering focuses on exploring scientific principles and translating them to protect human and our valuable ecosystems from impacts of adverse environmental issues such as climate change, energy shortage, as well as seawater level rising. Environmental and sustainability engineers develop innovative solutions and technologies to manage our natural resources and to enhance the health of living system and environment quality with a sustainable and efficient manner. So now I'm going to touch on the topic, why environmental engineering or why environmental sustainability engineering. Okay, I would like to mention about Singapore Green Plan 2030, which is a nationwide movement towards sustainability. Okay, this is a plan chartered by a few government agencies, and inside the plan we cover city and nature, sustainable development and energy reset, and so on and so forth. There are many opportunities for the solutions emphasized by the government. On top of that, Singapore government also like to chart Singapore's net zero future, and inside this plan, we also target, net zero emission by 2050. So you can see there are lifelong opportunities for environmental specialists. Now I'd like to touch on the key features of environmental sustainable engineering program at NUS. Okay, this is a professional degree which allow our students to do professional registration after graduation. For example, students can go for chartered engineer registration, which will greatly help them in terms of their professional development. Students enroll into our program will have a lot of experiential learning, authentic learning, as well as active interaction experiences with our alumni, with our industry collaborators, and with our faculty members. This program has a lot of award-winning educators from the best of environmental science field. And according to QS World Diversity Ranking in 2024, our program is ranked number 9 in the world in the subject of environmental science. So now I'm going to touch on the curriculum highlights. So in our program, those are the domain areas we have nicely covered, which include climate change, resource management, circular economy, environmental sustainability, water quality enhancement, water reclamation and reuse, alternative energy sources, and air quality management. In our program, we provide this flexibility for students to read second major, minor, and specialization programs to enable them to have multidisciplinary training. So students can read minor in data engineering, in entrepreneurship, as well as geographical information systems and environmental sustainability. Students can also read second major, such as sustainable urban development, public health, life sciences, economics. And students also can read digitalization in urban infrastructure specialization program, which is offered by Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. Let me elaborate more in terms of multidisciplinary training. Students enrolled into our program can use their unrestricted electives for multidisciplinary training. Basically, they can read second major, minor, and specialization programs so that they are able to develop their future career direction. So let me explain to you in terms of how to do that. Okay, first of all, students can read environmental and sustainability engineering as their first major, and they can also consider reading a minor in public health so that they are able to go into a career in environmental and public health. They can also consider pair with a second major called Sustainable Urban Development so that they can develop a career in environmental and sustainability consultancy. They also can read a minor in data engineering together with specialization in digitalization in urban infrastructure. So students can develop into a direction called smart urban environment engineering. Students also can read a second major in management so that they can have a career in the environmental management field. Students also can read a minor in economics so that they can go into the direction which is called environmental business. So now I'm going to touch on student experiences. Okay, students, once they enroll into our program, when they are at their junior years, they learn environmental principles by practicing. They're going to have a lot of activities, hands-on activities, for example, field trip sampling, on-site monitoring, project planning, demonstration, as well as a laboratory analysis. They are going to have a lot of professional activities even outside of the classroom. They can take part in the environmental and sustainability alumni student dialogue. They can also participate in international coastal cleanup campaign. They also can join these engineering innovation challenges, right, to further develop their professional skills. When they come to the senior years, students have a lot of hands-on real-life experiences. They can join the project Oceanus, which is organized by our student club, and go to the surrounding countries such as Vietnam, okay, using the advanced membrane technology to help the local villagers to improve their drinking water quality. They also can enroll into a technical elective, which is a sustainability project we conducted in Indonesia. Over there, they design, they construct, they operate a low-cost wastewater treatment technology to help the local community to protect their water environment better. All right, students come to their senior years, they have a lot of global exchange opportunities by doing the student exchange program. Okay, and our students can go to more than 300 partner universities and read about those interesting subjects and topics, such as nuclear power plants, river restoration, problems faced in the water resource management due to climate change, and water treatment in a temperate country, as well as renewable energy. So when students come to their final year, they are going to have overseas training program. Ziwei, one of our final year students, represent NUS in this Future Sustainability Leader program in Abu Dhabi in 2020. And Junwei, also one of our final year students, represent the Singapore in Water Environment Federation Student Design Competition in 2018 in USA. And together with his team, they won Design Competition Award. Students come to their junior years, they can also actively take part in innovation programs. Ko Chun, one of our final year students then, together with his team, made use of the waste for water purification and food supply through a zero waste testbed initiative. Another example is Sophia. As one of our final year students, together with her team, they form Green Doctor program. So what they do in this program, they recover aluminum and plastic polymer from the medical blister waste packaging material, and they won't use pharmacies chapter sandbox competition in 2022. What's more, after their graduation, they continue this journey by establishing a startup company and continue this commercialization of the technologies which they develop in the Green Doctor program. So students also can consider apply scholarships and awards. Okay, they can consider applying Singapore Sustainability Scholarships by PUB and NEA. They also can consider scholarships and sponsorships offered by BCA. In AUS, students also can consider Engineering Scholar Program, AUS scholarships, and the CDE Master Award. And what's new in this year? CEE is going to have 70 years anniversary. So we are very glad to announce the CEE 70 years anniversary award, and which is exclusive to 2025 intake students. So in this award, we like to offer to excellent students Stellar Award, which covers 4 years of undergraduate tuition fee. And we also offer Excellence Award, Honors Award, and the Merits Award to students who meet our criteria based on their JC, Poly, as well as the IB academic results. Okay, in terms of career prospects, graduates from our program can opt for careers in multidisciplinary fields. They can become policymakers. They can develop themselves as an environmental specialist. They can promote technopreneurship. They can become engineering leaders. So they work in the public sectors such as PUB, NEA, and URA, and HDB, and so on. They also can work in the private sector such as AECOM, Sapono Jurong, okay, Xylem, Sumcor, and so on and so forth. Right, for students working in the government-related agencies, okay, they focus on technological systems and policy frameworks as well as coastal protection. For students join the consultancy and other firms, they practice sustainability and then they focus on the green finances. And students also can promote entrepreneurship by doing social entrepreneurship as well as technopreneurship. All right. I come to more or less the end of my talk and like to urge the interested student to join a winning team, study environmental and sustainability engineering with us, right, at NUS. Together with us, we make an impact, we save the planet. Now I'm going to invite you to view a very short video clip which is taken by our undergraduate student. Please enjoy.
If you're wondering what NUS Environmental Engineering is all about, my friends and I are here to give you a sneak peek.
At NUS, you'll be solving everyday problems with innovative solutions. I'm turning organic waste into reusable materials for one of my projects.
By reusing sugarcane fibers?
Exactly, and I got all these from the canteen.
That's pretty clever.
Well, it's also the technology that makes all this possible. We have access to cutting-edge tools that allow us to tackle pressing environmental problems, such as air and water pollution.
What I like about these tools is that they are used in the workplace as well. So, this gives us a head start. Speaking of the workplace, let's go and find Nicholas. Environmental engineering is a fast-growing field with many opportunities, right, Nick?
For sure. Our whole curriculum is industry-oriented. We'll focus on sustainability and public health protection. We also get to use these skills in the real world through industrial attachments, for example, to develop renewable energy.
And the best part about EV is that it's not all about studying. You get to build connections with a closely knit group of friends.
That's a great point. School is way more fun with you guys around. And if you share the same passion as us, we know you will love it here. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up now.
To find out more information and additional resources about environmental and sustainability engineering program, please scan the first QR code or go into our department program website to get all the detailed information. To find out more activities in the CDE Open House, please scan the second QR code or go into the CDE Open House website. If you have any other questions, just feel free to email me. And thank you very much for listening.